والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Alhamdulillah, we are going to start our second session of this week. Uh, Before going to the new lesson, we just started, just to recap the previous lessons, if we have, that is, we started with the attached pronoun, detached pronoun huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu. Ayan, would you please repeat the detached pronoun? Ayan. Anik, please, you can take this. Anik Rauf.
Okay. هو
Ayan,
هم أنت أنتم أنا نحن
again repeat, please. Huwa, huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu. Safi,
Yes.
yeah, repeat, please. Detached.
هو هو هم أنت أنتم أنا نحن.
Nahnu. And then we have discussed attached pronoun. Hua will change into who, whom, ka, kum, e, na. Safi, can you please attach just Rab?
ربه ربهم ربك ربكم ربي ربنا.
Rabbuna. Jafar Iqbal.
Assalamu alaikum, Akhtar bhai. Jafar is still not joining, but Musab is here.
Yeah, okay, Musab, please. Musab. Musab, can you please just attach Deen?
Okay.
Deenuhu.
Deen religion. Deenuhu his religion. Deenuhum their religion. Deenuka your religion. Deenukum religion of you all. Deeni my religion. Deenuna our religion.
Okay. If you can just, we have just most commonly used word we took like li, min, an, inda, ma'ain. Li mean far. Musab, if we attach this li with attached pronoun, how will it be? Lahu,
Yeah. Lahu, lahum, laka, lakum, la, li, lana.
li, lana. Translation? Lahu,
Lahu for him, lahum for them, laka for you, lakum for you all, li for me, lana for us.
lana for us. Okay. Anik. Thank you, Musab.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam, ya Anik. Can you please just take this first part, wahua?
You want me to read it or translate it?
Yeah, just read it first and then translation.
Okay. وَهُوَ رَبُّنَا وَرَبَّكُمْ.
Rabbukum, this is
Oh,
actually. This is a
Rabbukum. Yeah,
typing
Rabb,
mistake.
I see that. Yeah, Rabbukum. So, wow means and. Huwa means he. Rabbuna means
Rabbuhu, start with Rabbuhu and reach at Rabbuna.
oh yeah. Rabbuhu, Rabbuhum, Rabbuka, Rabbukum, Rabbi, Rabbuna.
Okay, Rabbuna means
Our
our Lord.
our Lord. Oh yeah, our Lord.
Okay. Va,
Wow, and
Rabbukum,
Rabbukum, your Lord.
your
All of
Lord.
your yeah.
Okay.
So and he our Lord.
He is our Lord.
Oh, and he is our Lord, and all of your Lord.
All of your Lord. Yes. Ayan, can you please take this walana?
ولنا ولنا أعمالنا ولكم أعمالكم.
أعمالنا وأعمال. Okay. Can you please
Okay.
translate wa?
And lana for us. أعمالنا.
Na means what? What is the meaning of na?
Na us.
Our. Our. A'mal mean deeds. Our deeds.
Oh, our deeds and for you all.
Lakum. Say lakum.
And lakum for you all. أعمالكم. Deeds of you all.
Deed of you all. Yes. And combine the translation.
And for us is our deeds,
Are
and
our
for you all,
deeds.
and for you all is your deeds.
Yeah. For us are our deeds, and for you all are your deeds. So this is a'maluna a'malukum. Can you please take a'mal and start from a'maluhu?
أعماله أعمالهم أعمالك أعمالكم أعمالي أعمالنا.
With translation. A'maluhu. His.
أعماله his deed. أعمالهم their deed.
Yeah, this is plural.
أعمالك your
Deeds.
deed. Oh, أعمالك your deeds. أعمالكم deeds of you all. أعمالي my deeds. أعمالنا our deeds.
Okay. Thank you. Muhammad bin Ashar.
Yes.
Last part, can you please take?
Sorry.
This last part, can you please take and translate, please?
Okay. And نحن. Sorry.
Nahnu
نحن.
means? Do you know detached pronouns?
نحن we.
Yes. Can you please say detached pronoun huwa?
Detach.
Yeah, huwa, whom?
هو هم أنت أنتم أنا نحن.
Yeah, this is nahnu. Nahnu means?
نحن means we.
We. Okay, lahu?
له
For
for
him.
him.
And mukhlisun means sincere.
Huh?
Mukhlisun, sincere. Can you please combine the translation?
Sorry, I can't hear you. Your voice is very low.
Oh my God. Ashar bhai, can you please take this?
وَنَحْنُ لَهُ مُخْلِصُونَ, and we are sincere for him.
Fear. Can you please combine the translation just?
Okay. And he is our Lord and Lord of you all, and for us are our deeds, and for you all are for you all your deeds, and we are sincere for him.
And we are sincere for him. Thank you very much. So this is all about the summary about the previous detached pronoun, attached pronoun, and we took some words and just join with attached pronoun, and we produce some more meaning and translation. Today, actually, we have to start the most important thing in the sentence, and that is verb. Verb basically, it tells us about an action with respect to time. This is verb in English. We see that in every sentence, a sentence is not complete actually without verb. So verb is basically very important thing in the sentence. It tells us about an action with respect to time. If we just see in English or any other language, we see that there are past tense, present tense, and future tense. So present tense, it is complete fe'l madi. Present and future, in Arabic we just make it two. They are, one is fe'l madi and second is fe'l mudare. Past tense, this is fe'l madi. and present and future combined together, they will be fail mudare. So one thing that have to be in our mind, that in Arabic, the verb we are going to discuss, there are two main type. One is fail madi and second is fail mudare. Madi means past tense. Mudare, present and future together, they will be mudare. Like in past, in English, if you say that he did, in present you will say he does, in future he will do. In Arabic, there will be fail ma'adi, and present and future will be together. They have both have meaning of present and future. And then we will see other like fail amar, how to give the order and how negation of that order. So this is madi and mudare. So today most important thing we are going to start, that is about verb. Verb, first thing, verb is basically telling us about action according to the time, with respect to time. So a verb will define. So there are most of the verbs which we will discuss in the level 1, they will have 3 letters. Like this, if you see fa, ain and lam, there are 3 letters: fa'il, fa, ain and lam. And mad, if we make the madi of this, just we take fa'ala, and you will see that how it will change its shape. First thing is, this is the starting word fa'ala, he did. And the fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna. Starting word was fa'ala, and just look at the shape. No need to just focus on the translation right now, just see the shape. This is the first starting word, fa'ala. This is madi, past. Fa'ala means he did. If you see here, fa'ala becomes fa'alu. Same, fa ain lam is here and it becomes fa'alta. Then change in at the end, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna. So this last whatever is added at the end, it will give us the translation. So first thing, the verb basically it will have two form. One is the madi and second is mudare. Today we are discussing about madi, that is past. If we just take fa'ala, fa'ala means he did. Plural of fa'ala will be fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did. And fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. The plural of fa'ala is fa'alu. Fa'alta, ta is for you. And the plural of fa'alta will be fa'altum. Like here, antum, you all. Fa'altum, you all did. Now comes here, fa'altu. This is for myself. I did. Fa'alna, we did. So this is madi. So just see here, just one word fa'ala, and we will generate the complete table. The first here, fa'ala. If we take any other word will come, the same shape will be there. We will focus on this fa'ala. But here if we have for example, we have ja'ala, he made. Ja'alu, ja'alta, ja'altum, ja'altu, ja'alna. Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. Here you can see the haraka is very important here. If it is fa'alta, it means you did. And when I have fa'altu, fa'altu means I did. Fa'alna, we did. Another important thing first day we discussed, that is the total physical interaction, that we have to use our right hand, and we have to use our right hand, and this first right finger is basically it is pointing singular, and forefinger will be for plural. Let's see the fa'ala. Just look at the table, and also please look at my hand in the video if you can see that. Fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna. This is madi, and we will just focus today on madi. Again, fa'ala, he did. The plural of fa'ala will be fa'alu. Then fa'alta, I am pointing towards the second person. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. This na, here it is nahnu. Here na is for our Rabbuna, our Lord. Fa'alna, we did. Fa'altu, I did. If just you focus here, the difference, fa'alta and fa'alta, you did. Fa'altu, I did. Now I would ask Shifa that he will demonstrate with TPI, total physical interaction. Okay, go ahead, Shifa.
فع- فعل فعلوا فعلت فعلتم فعلت فعلنا.
Translation.
فعل means he did. فعلوا, they did. فعلت, you did. فعلت, I did. فعلنا, we did.
Again, with translation.
فعل, he did. فعلوا, they did. فعلت, you did. فعلتم, you all did. فعلت, I did. فعلنا, we did.
So this table is very important. We will take it as a template. So this we will fit any other word. You will see that, and it will take the same shape. So again, fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. So we will look at the actual practical implementation later. Just first let us say that if we have the ja'ala, if we fit this ja'ala exactly on fa'ala, only fa will be replaced by jim, so it will be ja'ala. So I would take any random participant from here. Brother Naeem, if you just raise the hand, I will take your question, but first just try to fit here ja'ala first. Just replace fa with jim, so it will be brother Naeem. Okay, Arham.
Ja'ala, ja'alu, ja'alta, ja'altum, ja'altu, ja'alna.
Ja'al. If I say ja'ala means he made, can you please translate ja'ala with translation?
Ja'ala, he made. Ja'alu, they made. Ja'alta, you made. Ja'altum, you all made. Ja'altu, I made. Ja'alna, we made.
Okay, Arham, thank Nusha, you have any question?
No, I just wanted to try.
Okay, please go ahead, do it. Fa'ala.
فعل فعلوا فعلت فعلتم فعلت فعلنا.
Okay, translation.
فعل, he did. فعلوا, they did. فعلت, you did. فعلتم, you all did. فعلت, I did. فعلنا, we did.
Okay, Arham, thank you.
Yes.
Just do the fa'ala first.
فعل فعلوا فعلت فعلتم فعلت فعلنا.
Translation.
فعل, he did. فعلوا, they did. فعلت, you did. فعلتم, you all did. فعلت, I did. فعلنا, we did.
If I ask you to replace fa with jim, what it will become?
جعل
Okay, go ahead and make the 6th word with this.
جعل جعلوا جعلت جعلتم جعلت جعلنا.
Okay, which sentence it is?
Past,
Past.
ماضي.
So there will be past. In Arabic we would say it
ماضي.
madi, and another will be mudari. Very nice, sir. Okay, Dr. Saab, I think we have to go for practice.